Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so sorry that I didn't upload any video last week. And also thank you that you guys are concerned about me. When you guys asked me that what happened, why there is no video today, I feel like okay, so I succeed in making a new family of mine. I'm so glad that you guys are here with me, and thank you so much. Now the answer is my exam was going on, so I didn't get much time in writing or editing. Finally my exam is finished now, and I hope in future I'll never do this. I'll try my best. Okay, so let's talk about today's question. And the question is, how are you? How simple and unreasonable question is it, right? And everyone knows the answer. Answer is just fine. Okay, so one of my friend asked me, Purba, how to be happy in our life? In many cases, happiness is a role people play, and behind the smiling face there is a great deal of pain, depression, breakdowns and overreactions. They are common when unhappiness covered up behind a smiling exterior and brilliant white teeth. Just fine is a role the ego plays more commonly. If there is unhappiness in you, first you need to acknowledge that it is there. But don't say I am unhappy. Unhappiness has nothing to do with who you are. Say there is unhappiness in me. Then investigate it. A situation you find yourself in may have something to do with it. Action may be required to change the situation or remove yourself from it. If there is nothing you can do, face what is and say, well, right now this is how it is. I can either accept it or make myself miserable. The primary cause of unhappiness is never the situation but your thoughts about it. Be aware of the thoughts you are thinking. Separate them from the situation, which is always neutral, which always as it is. If you ask me, Purba, how did you deal with unhappiness? Here is my answer. Instead of making up stories, stay with the facts. For example, I am ruined is a story. It limits you and prevents you from taking effective action. I have 50 cents left in my bank account, or my girlfriend broke up with me, is a fact. Facing facts is always empowering. Be aware that what you think to a large extent creates the emotions that you feel. See the link between your thoughts and emotions. Be the awareness behind them. Don't seek happiness. If you seek it, you don't find it, because seeking is the antithesis of happiness. Unhappiness covers up your neutral state of well-being, inner peace, and the source of true happiness. Happiness is a thing that you need to create, and I always try my best creating happiness in every situation. And that's the only secret I have. I hope this video will help you, and if you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. I would love to answer it. I love you guys. See you next week. Stay safe. Bye.